Hey there, food lovers! Welcome to another exciting episode where we dive deep into the world of culinary delights. Ever wonder how KFC cranks out millions of pieces of that crispy golden fried chicken every single day? It's a fascinating process that combines tradition, innovation, and a whole lot of passion. Buckle up because we're going on a wild ride from the farm to your plate to uncover the secrets behind the Colonel's finger-licking good chicken. From the moment the chicks hatch to the time they reach your local KFC, every step is meticulously planned and executed. Get ready for a behind-the-scenes look at the clucking, amazing world of KFC. We'll explore the farms where the chickens are raised, the factories where they're processed, and the kitchens where the magic happens. We're talking about a massive operation here, folks. Imagine a network of farms, processing plants, and restaurants all working in harmony to deliver that perfect piece of fried chicken. Millions of chickens, tons of secret herbs and spices, and an army of dedicated cooks all working together to bring you that iconic bucket of chicken. The secret recipe, guarded closely for decades, is a blend of 11 herbs and spices that gives KFC its unique flavor. So, are you ready to dive into the crispy, crunchy world of KFC? Let's get cooking. We'll meet the people behind the scenes, learn about the quality control measures, and even get some tips on how you can recreate that KFC magic at home. Stay tuned, because this is going to be one delicious journey you won't want to miss. First stop, the farm. KFC sources its chicken from trusted poultry farms. These farms raise chickens in clean and healthy environments. The chickens are well fed and cared for, ensuring they grow to the perfect size for KFC's recipes. It's all about quality, folks. Happy chickens make for tasty chicken, right? Once the chickens are the right size, it's off to the processing plant. Now, before you get any funny ideas, this is a super clean and hygienic environment. Think of it as a spa day for chickens, but instead of cucumbers over their eyes, they get a nice, thorough cleaning. First, the chickens are carefully cleaned and prepped. Then, they go through a series of washes and rinses to make sure they're squeaky clean, removing any bacteria and getting them ready for the next step. Hygiene is top priority here, folks. No one wants a side of salmonella with their mashed potatoes. Now we've got our chicken inspectors, the superheroes of food safety. These folks are laser-focused on quality control. They're checking each and every piece of chicken for size, texture, and any imperfections. Only the best chicken makes the cut, my friends. We're talking about the cream of the crop, the chicken that Colonel Sanders himself would be proud of. No skimping on quality here. Section 5. The Colonel's secret recipe. Shh! It's finger-licking good. Next up, the moment you've all been waiting for, the Colonel's top secret recipe. It's a closely guarded secret, locked away in a vault and protected by armed guards. Okay, maybe not that extreme, but it's serious business. The chicken takes a dip in a special marinade. This marinade is a blend of 11 herbs and spices, and that's all I'm allowed to say. It's a flavor explosion that infuses the chicken with that unmistakable KFC taste. It's the stuff of legends, folks, and the reason why we keep coming back for more. Section 6, Breading Blitz, from naked to crispy in a flash. Time to get breaded, baby. This is where the journey from plain to perfection begins. This is where the real magic happens. The transformation from simple marinated chicken to that irresistible crispy delight. The marinated chicken takes a tumble in a secret blend of flour and spices. Each piece is carefully coated to ensure that every bite is packed with flavor. We're talking about a breading that's perfectly seasoned and creates that signature KFC crunch. It's a delicate balance of spices that has been perfected over the years. In smaller restaurants, this is done by hand, with each piece getting a nice, even coating. The attention to detail is what makes each bite so special. But in those mega factories, they've got these high-tech machines that do the job. These machines are designed to replicate the hand breading process on a massive scale. It's like a breading tornado. The chicken pieces whirl through the machines, getting perfectly coated in a matter of seconds. And let me tell you, the smell is incredible. It's a tantalizing aroma that fills the entire factory. Like freshly baked bread and a hint of spice, it's enough to make your mouth water. The combination of the warm, toasty breading and the savory spices creates an irresistible scent that promises a delicious meal ahead. The final product is a masterpiece of texture and flavor. Each piece of chicken is perfectly crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. Whether it's hand-breaded in a small kitchen or mass-produced in a factory, the result is always the same. a delicious, crispy piece of chicken that's ready to be enjoyed. And that's the magic of the breading blitz, transforming simple ingredients into a meal that brings joy to everyone who takes a bite. So next time you bite into that crispy chicken, remember the journey it took from naked to crispy in a flash. Section 7. Fast fry or freeze frame. Getting that chicken ready for traveling. Now we've got two options, fast fry or freeze frame. Each method has its own unique benefits and is chosen based on the specific needs of the location and the preferences of the customers they serve. Some KFC locations prefer to partially fry the chicken at this stage. This method involves quickly frying the chicken pieces in hot oil for a short period. This flash frying helps to seal in the flavor and creates a crispy outer layer. The high temperature of the oil ensures that the chicken gets that initial crunch, which is essential for the final product. It's like giving the chicken a head start on its journey to crispy perfection. Once the chicken reaches the restaurant, it only needs a final fry to achieve that golden, crispy finish that KFC is famous for. Other locations opt for the freeze frame method. This technique is particularly useful for locations that need to store the chicken for longer periods or ship it over greater distances. The breaded chicken is flash frozen to lock in all that flavor and freshness. Flash freezing involves rapidly lowering the temperature of the chicken to preserve its quality and taste. This way, it can be shipped to restaurants all over the country and still taste like it was made that day. The flash frozen chicken is packed carefully to ensure it remains in perfect condition during transit. When it arrives at the restaurant, it can be quickly fried to serve customers that delicious, freshly made taste they expect from KFC. Whether it's fast fried or flash frozen, the goal is always the same, to deliver that iconic KFC flavor and crunch to every customer, no matter where they are. The meticulous preparation and attention to detail ensure that every bite is as satisfying as the last. So next time you enjoy a piece of KFC chicken, remember the journey it took to get to your plate. From the factory to the fryer, every step is designed to bring you the best possible experience. Section 8. Truckin' Chicken. From factory to your local KFC. Get ready to hit the road because it's time to ship this chicken. Refrigerated trucks transport the chicken to KFC restaurants, ensuring it stays cold and fresh during its journey. We're talking about a well-oiled machine, folks. These trucks are like climate-controlled fortresses, keeping that chicken at the perfect temperature. That way, when it arrives at your local KFC, it's ready to be cooked to perfection. Section 9. Fry Fest. The final countdown to crispy goodness. We're in the home stretch, folks. At the restaurant, the chicken gets a final fry in those iconic pressure fryers. This is where it achieves that golden brown color and that irresistible crunch. The pressure fryers cook the chicken evenly and quickly, sealing in all the juices and creating that signature KFC texture. The air is thick with the smell of fried chicken, and it's enough to drive you wild. Section 10. That's a wrap. Enjoy your bucket of fun. And there you have it, folks. The journey of a KFC chicken from farm to your plate. It's a testament to the power of good food, hard work, and a whole lot of secret spices. So next time you're digging into a bucket of KFC, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey it took to get there. From those happy chickens to the dedicated cooks, it's a team effort that results in a truly finger-licking good experience. Keep on crunching, my friends.